To find duplicate MIBs, what we can do if we have this MIB information for our whole library, we can use Excel in quite clever way and use COUNTIF command. So I've run my Get-MIBInfo over my MIBs folder, and what I got are those information details for all the MIB files which I have. To find the truly duplicate files, the files with absolutely same content, we can use a file hash. If the hash is same, the content of the file is absolutely same. So what we're gonna do is we use COUNTIF, and it wants a range which will be all the hashes, and we are counting number of this particular hash. Now we extend it for all, and where the number is 1, it means that this hash is exactly one time there in this Excel or in this particular column. This actually means that there is no duplicate, it's just one file. However, if it's higher than 1, it's the number of the files with the same hash. So let's pick, for example, this means there are 3 same files. And let's pick, for example, the file with this hash. So we can see it's this file which is there 3 times, and it's in this UPD 11.35.50 and in this HP ILO HP chassis, right? So it's 3 times there, and we figured out the file which is having exactly same content. Similar thing we can use for the name, so we can search for the files with the same name. Or we can use same thing on the module name, which is actually better than the file name, because file name can be whatever, but if you have a same module several times, it can be a different versions, etc. So let's try that. We'll change the formula and we use the module name and go for the module. Okay, extend it. So let's pick, for example, this one, which is having 7, and let's pick the same module like this one, and we can see like a different names, couple of different names there, and couple of different hashes. Some of them are identical, so we can further down reduce using the hashes to figure out the duplicates. Like you can see those 2 are duplicate right here. Those 2 are duplicate. Actually those 3 are duplicate, and there are 2 other versions. Okay, this one is also duplicate to this one. So we find a couple of duplicate based on the module name. So this is another way to find the duplicates and figure out. We don't see the latest update and latest review, which is pretty bad to figure out then which one is newer, which one is older. But taking a look at the size, we can assume that the bigger file will be a newer one than the smaller one. And we can actually use the command is backwards compatible to figure out if the bigger file is backwards compatible to the older file, and hence if it's really a newer one.